between the potential between cathode and anode, what is the effect on this photoelectric current? Now first of all, I kept this potential to a certain value, so I take it here, and some light of certain intensity, let it be I1, falls on this cathode, and because of the phenomenon of photoelectric effect, the electrons are emitted, and these electrons are attracted by this anode and give rise to a certain value of photoelectric current. Now, I suppose that when a light of certain intensity falls on this cathode, let 100 electrons were emitted. कितने electrons emit हुए? 100 electrons emit हुए. But this anode, जो anode तक पहुंचे, that is only 50 electron reaches to the anode and give rise to a photoelectric current. So that is this much value. Now, if I increase the potential to certain more value, अगर इसका potential मैं और बढ़ा देता हूं, पहले V था, अब मैंने 2V कर दिया, then I observe that जैसे मैंने इसका positive potential बढ़ा दिया, so whatever the electrons which were not able to reach, now they start reaching. 90 electrons are able to reach at the anode and give rise to the photoelectric current will increase, because now photoelectric current is because of 90 electrons, for example. So my photoelectric current is increased. Further, if I increase the potential furthermore, मैंने potential को और बढ़ा दिया, so now the potential is further increased. So because of this increase in potential, all the electrons 100 bit हुए थे, 100 के 100 यहाँ पहुंच गए. All the electrons reaches to this anode and give rise to a photoelectric current. So my photoelectric current is further increased to this much value. Now further, if I increase the potential, मैं और potential को बढ़ाऊं, अब इसको 4V कर दूं, even then you will not find any increase in the photoelectric current. It is because जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैथोड ने इमिट किए थे, सारे के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैज बीन रीच्ड टू द एनोड. So there is no further increase in the photoelectric current and the photoelectric current becomes constant. अब हम इसको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में करते हैं. तो पहले I have applied a certain minimum value of the electric potential to the positive potential to this anode. Now I make this potential equal to 0. Means no battery is attached to this anode or between cathode and anode. I observed that some electrons are so much energetic, they are able to reach at anode. Means अभी 50 नहीं पहुंचेंगे, अब there will be 30 electrons. They are able to reach. इतने energetic थे, they are able to reach at anode and give rise to a photoelectric current. So if you decrease to this much value, there is a certain value of photoelectric current even if the potential is 0. If I keep this anode on the negative potential, so because of this repulsion of electron and negative potential, say they will repel each other and some of the electrons will not able to reach. So here instead of 30, only 10 are able to reach on this anode. So as a result, the electron reaches to it and give rise to some current. And here the current is less because only less number of electron reaches to the anode. So the current value decreases. Increase the negative potential of the anode, then I find that the force of repulsion between the electron and the anode increases, as this repulsion makes only one electron able to reach at the anode. अब फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन इतनी ज्यादा होगी कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन, जितने भी सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से निकले थे, इजेक्ट आउट हुए थे, उनमें से सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो एनोड तक पहुंच रहा है and then give rise to a current, and that current is very very small, very very negligible. Further, it is observed that if you increase the negative potential more, अगर इससे भी ज्यादा और नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल लगा दिया तो फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन इतनी ज्यादा हो जाएगी between these electrons and electrodes so that none of electron, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो यहां पर नहीं पहुंचेगा, एंड देन इट गिव राइज टू ए जीरो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। सो यहां पर फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या आ जाएगा, जीरो आ जाएगा। सो दिस नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोड, ये जो नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल आया जो आपने लगाया एनोड में, this negative potential applied to the anode is known as stopping potential. So basically stopping potential is that negative potential of the electrode which will make this photoelectric current is equal to zero. We call it as a stopping potential. It means that if you apply this much negative potential to this anode, even the electron which have a maximum kinetic energy, जिस इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास सबसे ज्यादा काइनेटिक एनर्जी थी, वो भी इस एनोड तक नहीं पहुंच रहा, is not able to reach on the anode. Now we can do the same experiment. So this is your graph obtained at intensity I1. If we increase the intensity to some other value or some higher value, that is I2, such that the number of emitted electron is increased. Now number of electrons emitted are 200, and here I applied some potential, positive potential to this anode, increase the intensity to I2. So as a result, now the emitted electrons will be more. I take them as a 200. Now when this emitted electron reaches to this anode, then these electrons were absorbed by the anode and give rise to some electric current. As number of ejected electron has been increased, so here the number of absorbed electron on the anode will also be increased. I take it as 100. I take it at this point. Now further, if you keep on applying more and more positive charge, more and more electron will reach at anode because of force of attraction. So more and more electron will increase, and so as our current will also increase. Now further, when all the electron which has been ejected, जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से इजेक्ट हुए थे, सारे के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां पर पहुंच गए, उसके बाद अगर तुम पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल एनोड का बढ़ाओगे, सो देयर विल बी नो इंक्रीज इन द करंट, बिकॉज जितने इजेक्ट हुए थे उतने ही सारे के सारे पहुंच गए. फर्दर देयर इज नो इंक्रीज इन द photoelectric current. Photoelectric current becomes constant. So it is for I2. Now instead of increasing, now decrease is positive potential of anode. I make the potential of this anode equal to 0. Then the number of electrons which are ejected by this cathode will reach at anode will be decreased. I take it as a 50. So photoelectric current decreases. Photoelectric current क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. It will decrease. Similarly, if now you apply a negative potential to this electrode, because of this negative potential, because of this force of repulsion, the number of the electron reaching at anode will also decrease because of this force of repulsion. So now it will becomes 30. So photoelectric current further decreases because number of the electron reaching to the anode keep on decreasing. Similarly, if you further increase the negative potential, so you will find that your photoelectric current will further decreases. Okay, now only 10 electrons will be able to reach at anode. And photoelectric current decreases further, decreases to this much. Now further you increase the negative potential on this anode. So force of repulsion between them is so large that even the maximum energetic electron will not able to reach at anode. यानी कि जिस इलेक्ट्रॉन की काइनेटिक एनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा थी इनमें से, वो भी इस एनोड तक नहीं पहुंच रहा. And at this point the photoelectric current will be equal to 0. So it will decreases and photoelectric current will be equal to 0. So this type of graph is obtained in this case. Now what are the observations we got from here? So we observed that when a light falls on this cathode, तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकले उन सभी की काइनेटिक एनर्जी एक बराबर नहीं होगी. कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी और कुछ की काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम होगी. The second observation is that कि जब हम इस एनोड के ऊपर नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल लगाते हैं तो सर्टेन वैल्यू हमारा फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक करंट 0 आ जाता है. So means there is a potential, negative potential exists at anode which make the photoelectric current equal to 0, and this potential is known as stopping potential. Now it makes that कि जो मैक्सिमम एनर्जेटिक इलेक्ट्रॉन था वो भी इस एनोड तक नहीं पहुंच रहा. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? द फॉरवर्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी मस्ट बी इक्वल टू द रिपल्सिव एनर्जी. सो फॉरवर्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितनी आती है? फॉरवर्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी दैट इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम इज इक्वल टू द रिपल्सिव एनर्जी. वी नो द एनर्जी इज व्हाट? वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू Q into V. The charge of electron is E, and what is the potential applied to make the photoelectric current equal to 0? So that is V naught. So this kinetic energy is equal to the stopping potential. So this maximum kinetic energy is equal to the charge multiplied by stopping potential. The third observation we got is that मैं यहाँ पर लाइट की इंटेंसिटी को बढ़ा भी दूं, मेरा स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल दोनों के लिए बराबर आता है. इसका अर्थ यह है कि स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इंटेंसिटी. स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट.